All right, let's break down this shocking recent drop in precious metals. What happened?
I mean, 1 minute, gold and silver looked invincible. The next, a total nosedive.
In just a single session, gold took a massive hit, dropping over 6%.
And silver, whoa, its drop was even more brutal, crashing more than 16%.
So what happened? The fundamentals didn't actually break. It was more like a perfect storm.
You know, when markets get this overheated, gravity always comes calling, a classic case.
You had traders taking profits, bots amplifying the selling, and a surprise dollar rebound.
And this wasn't just small-time panic. This was smart money locking in huge January gains. But let's get some perspective. That massive January rally still dwarfs this one-day drop. So the bigger trend really isn't broken. We're just in a very messy, volatile middle phase. This just goes to show you these aren't sleepy safe havens anymore. They're high octane.
Which leaves us with the big question. Is this a buying opportunity or a serious warning shot?